Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure Brave is up to date and permissions are set so PyP works reliably. Open the YouTube video you want and put it in its own tab. This avoids focus conflicts. Next, right-click the video twice. This exposes the browser context menu for picture-in-picture, or click the PyP extension icon if you installed one. Once done, the video will detach into a small always-on-top window that you can move wherever you work. Now that PyP is active, learn the controls so you can work without interruptions. You can click play or pause directly on the PyP overlay, drag its edges to resize, and place it in a corner to avoid covering important content. Make sure Brave's tab audio icon isn't muted and that system's sound routes correctly, because PyP still uses the browser's audio stream. If you prefer speed, configure keyboard shortcuts in Brave settings to toggle PyP without reaching for the mouse. When you're done, close the PyP window and return to the video tab to continue or stop playback. This restores tab focus and controls. If PyP doesn't appear, first disable extensions that alter video context menus, then toggle Brave's experimental flags for picture-in-picture and restart the browser. Once you've made changes, test with a different YouTube video to verify behavior. If issues persist, check hardware acceleration and your operating system's always-on-top window policies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.